Right, we've got this sequence 0, 6, 2, 5, and we can put the decimal points in 5 different places. We're trying to work out which of these numbers we can't make. Now, for me, like you could try and put the in all 5 and work out the fraction. It's quite involved. So I think there's a bit of like maybe doing some of that and maybe taking some of the fractions and figuring out what they are as a decimal. So if I take 6 over 25, this is actually not too bad to figure out um, as a decimal because I can times top and bottom by 4. That gives me 24 over 100 or 0.24. And in fact, I've already found the answer. I can't make that number, so the answer is going to be A. Let's carry on though anyway. So 5 over 8. You know what? This is one that's kind of worth knowing. It's 0.625. But if you didn't know that, then we can do a little short division. 8s into 5 goes 0, and then 8s into 50 are going to go, we'll put the point in, it's going to be 6, 48, remainder 2, and then 2, remainder 4, 6, 2, 5. So that one's going to be okay, and that's, yeah, that's this one here. 25 over 4 is not too bad to work out. It's going to be 6 remainder 1, so 6 1/4, or 6.25. So that's that one there. 25 squared is actually 625. So that one is okay. And then 1 over 16. Well, at this point, it's probably worth looking at 0.0625 and realizing that that is actually going to be, we know it's going to be 0.625 divided by 10, which is the same as 1/10 times 5 over 8 that we had from before, which is 5 over 80, or you can cross cancel this partially, but we are going to get 1 over 16 from that. So when I do it there, I've got my 1 over 16. So the only one we've not actually found that's not on the list is, those were possible, is 62.5. And yeah, you could write that as a fraction. We could put it at, we could, what could we do? We could double it to 125 over 2, for example. But anyway, this is the one that we cannot obtain. And like it's a bit of a mishmash that I've used, but pretty like probably the most kind of efficient method to do a bit of convert the fractions we know quite easily, and then put the decimal point in to get some of the other ones.